Welcome to Digital Know-How, and this is Tech in 60. Today, we're diving into Ethernet cables. Ethernet cables are the unsung heroes of the internet world, connecting your devices to the web with speed and reliability. They come in various categories, like Cat5, Cat6, and Cat7, each offering different speeds and bandwidths. These cables are essential for stable connections, especially for gaming and streaming. Unlike Wi-Fi, Ethernet cables provide a direct link to your router, reducing lag and interference. So next time you're setting up your home network, don't underestimate the power of a good Ethernet cable. For more tech insights, subscribe to Digital Know-How and stay tuned for more Tech in 60.